Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafter, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today we are going to be crafting with the Love from Lizi November 2023 card kit, and it's called Christmas Ballet. I'm going to make a gatefold style card, and I'll have the measurements down below in the description, as well as links to products used, other crafters who are making with this kit, and everything else you might need. Have a look down in the description. So with this card, we're going to make a gatefold style card, and this is a 6x6 card. So for our card base, you'll need a piece of 12x6 and then score it at 3 and 9, and that'll give you a 6x6 gatefold card. I've got 4 pieces of holographic gold card here, and these all measure 2 3/4 by 5 3/4. So I'll have one on the outside and one on the inside, and I'll have the same then for this one here. Onto those, I'm going to add some pattern paper, and because we only get one sheet of pattern paper, all the pattern papers are different, but we only get one of each. So I've gone with these because they're similar, just the colors are different. So I'm going to put 2 on the outside and 2 on the inside. These will actually be my outside pieces. I think it goes that way, yes. So these 2 will be the outside pieces, and my blue ones will go on the inside. And the reason for that is I have this strip for inside, and I've taken a piece off the cream. So I'm bringing this pattern paper, which is outside, I'll bring that to the inside. So this gold piece of holographic card, I think this actually, let me just give you the measurements for those in a moment. Inside my card, I'm going to add a piece of holographic card. This piece measures 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. Then I have a piece of white cardstock measuring 5 1/2 by 5 1/2. Then this piece, which is going to sit astride it, is 5 1/2 by 1 inch wide. And then this piece measures 5 1/4 by 3/4 of an inch. So that'll embellish the inside. I'll stamp a sentiment inside here, and I've also got this little fella, my nutcracker. He's going to go in there to embellish inside as well. So that is our gatefold card. That is how, that is all the pieces we'll need to put it together. I'm going to start gluing everything down now and assembling our card. And this card again will be displayed open rather than closed. That's the reason why I haven't put anything on the outside of this card. So when the recipient receives the card, they'll lift it out and they'll see it like that, and it'll be displayed like that. So I've added a little sparkle to our nutcracker. I've added our beautiful twinkles. These are the holographic red. They're not the ones that came in the kit, but I'm using an assortment of different ones that I have in my stash. The only other thing I want to do is add a little bit of accent glaze to my nutcracker. I'm going to add some to his little star there in the middle, a drop to his eyes, some to his mouth, and then to his epaulets, I think that's what they're called, to his cuffs, to his belt, and then to his boots, because we know all soldiers have got very shiny boots. So there we go, there is card 8. Our gatefold card using the ephemera piece, the nutcracker, and the lovely pattern papers. I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you have, you might give it a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button and ding the bell. That way you'll be notified when I bring out card number 9. Remember, all the links that you might need to Lizi's website, etc. is down below in the description, as well as the other design team members who have made videos using this beautiful kit. So I'm going to leave it there with a couple of pictures of the finished card, and I will see you all tomorrow with card number 9. Bye for now.